Hello, my dear viewers. Hello, my dear viewers. This is the Dukas Copy Academy, and you are watching Forex Trading with Rakesh. Well, yeah, now I can hear my voice as well as okay. So everything is fine now. Please allow me some time to introduce myself. My name is Rakesh, and I'm your host here. Today is 16th of July 2024. The day is Tuesday. My name is Rakesh, and I'm the Dukas Copies Trading Community member. Like trading community in general, I'm not their employee. So if I'm not their employee, what I'm doing here? I'm trying to showcase my own analysis using YouTube platform of theirs. So please do not confuse me as an employee, and therefore all the ideas or the trading opinions that I'm going to discuss here, they have nothing to do with the Lucas Copy Bank. In fact, this is not a trading advice from anybody, neither from Lucas Copy nor from me. This is only a webinar where I'm going to share my own key levels for all the instruments that I see, and for this purpose we'll be using the candlestick type of charts. And as a technical analyst, I know that everything is already on the chart, so we'll just focus on the charts and not talk about anything else like CPI, PPI, something, no, nothing. Okay, we'll not talk about any numbers or any any news or events or such, because we know that everything is already reflected on the chart, so why talk about those things? Anyways, so we'll find out the key levels and we'll see how to use them, and we'll be using the candlestick type charts for that. Now at the end of the session, I'll be answering the questions from the viewers. So at any point of time, if there is any question in your mind, like how, what, when, where, you can ask that in the chat, and please feel free to ask any question that is related to the trading. If I know anything about that, I'll let you satisfy with my answers. And yeah, that's it. So before I start, I must tell you that this is only live stream. Like I told you, it is not a trading advice. Please do your research before you put your live money in the live trade. Okay, now before I begin, I must also show you the standard risk that is associated with the trading. Now because we are going to talk about mostly about the forex, so we need to introduce yourself to this risk. right, let's go guys. So first things first, right now what you can do, what you can see on the screen is the dollar index. It is the 1 day chart of candlestick based on the bid price, and here it is. This arrow is suggesting that the price is going down. This candlestick is suggesting that the price is going up. What does it mean? The price is going up, but the overall trend is down. So when this overall trend will change? When the price makes a higher high than 104.87, because this is the downswing pivot. What is the downswing pivot? A pivot which will cancel this downswing. So this is a downswing. This will be cancelled when the price will breach this 104.87 to the upside. Simple, guys. So till the time the price is trading below that, we are not going to open a buy position in the US dollar case. Now, what is the next potential support? Next potential support is the previous upswing pivot. Now, this is 103.62. So simple to understand, guys. So 103.62 is the support, 104.87 is the resistance. Then what is this 104.21? Well, this is a potential resistance. Why I'm saying it is a potential resistance? Because the price is trading below this after breaking down the previous, what is it? This is a low, right? This is an upswing pivot. If you see, it is an upswing pivot. Now, you know that whenever some support is broken, it tends to act as a resistance. So once it is broken, it is expected to act as a resistance, and it is acting as a resistance. But this is not a downswing pivot. So till the time the downswing pivot is in force, we cannot look for buying opportunity. Even the price goes above this, we will not be looking for the buying opportunity. We will only be looking at the selling opportunities till what? 104.87. Above this, if the price shows any sign of going above this, then we will so see that the buyers are trying to take control of the market, and we would like to align ourselves with them. I hope that is understood. So next point is pound. What is pound doing? It is a pin bar at the resistance. It is what you can do is you can say this is a consolidation before the next leg up, potential next leg up. Why? Because the price is making higher highs and higher lows, and the low that the price has made, 1.2777, is very far. Now till the time the price is trading above that, we'll only be looking for the buying opportunity. So what you can do is create a 1 hour channel. I'll just give you an example. Create a one hour downtrending channel, and once that channel breaks to the upside, like you can have a channel like this, okay, and as and when this channel breaks to the upside, you can buy it here with the stop loss here and the first take profit here, and then you can measure what is the height here, and then you can target it like that. So anyways, I hope you got it right. You create a counter trending channel, and when that channel breaks to the upside, you can buy that market. What about euro? Euro has given you a hint that I'm going to go higher. It has breached the previous high around 1.0916 on Monday. So that is yesterday. It has breached that level. Today the price went lower but was bought back immediately. What does it suggest? It suggests there is more stream. Sorry, I said stream. There is more steam to go to the upside. Where can it go? The previous downswing pivot, which is that 1.0942. After that, next downswing period, which is that 1.0960. So these are the levels how the price trade. Okay, potential resistance that I am expecting is this channel down, and it is meeting the resistance areas here, here, and here. So at the same time, that is, if like from bottom you can see the dates. If on 30th of July the price is meeting this area here, you will find a confluence of resistances. What do you mean by confluence of resistances? It means two resistances here. Okay, two resistances here. Now if the price meets this area here on 30th of August, then it will be a very critical from the resistance point of view. So you have to understand like this. Okay, so what I'm expecting the price to boom, so even to break this market structure and then go down if it meets this area. Why? Because there will be a lot of sellers sitting here to push the prices down. And on the contrary, if it breaks this area, then it will be a breakout, and the price can then test 1.1275 in the coming time. I hope that is understood. Australian dollar, very bullish price action it is going to be. So right now it seems like that the the market structure has broken. Yes, it looks like that the Australian dollar has broken the market structure, but no. After this breakout, the price never came back to test this as the bullish price action. So expect the price to come here and then change the market structure again to the upside. I'm not selling this bullish market right now, although it looks very intuitive to sell this right now. But this may be a bull trap. Okay, sorry, the bear trap. So those who want to sell here, they may be trapped. Yeah, like I said, that I'll be waiting for the price to give me some more significant, uh, I will say, sign of going down. Right now, okay, the other sign can be if it closes the day below 0.6724, although it has taken the liquidity below these lows, but if it closes below 0.6724, that may be a hint that okay, yes, now the sellers have entered. But right now it looks like that buyers just took this liquidity and trying to go higher. Okay, if they give a close below 0.6724, that may be a good sign that yes, the sellers have entered the market and they are able to push the prices below the crucial lows. So what will happen next? If the price closes below 0.6724, then this will start acting as a resistance, and the lower prices that we can see on this one is 0.6577. Something like on the New Zealand dollar, we said that sell on the dollar strength. When the dollar is strong, like it was yesterday, we had to sell it, boom, boom, and this is what happened. So it has even breached the low of this day of 2nd of July. And if it gives a close below this, like just like Australian dollar, I said, any rise in this one then will be seen as a selling opportunity. Now what I'm trying to say here is that if it closes say day here, then any rise should be seen as a selling opportunity like this. So in that case, this will become a resistance 0.6048. The potential support will be 0.5981 and the lower prices in the coming time. Although you note that these trend lines here will be dynamic support and resistances for the price in the coming time. USD CHF price made an intraday high of 0.8979, which is approximately 0.8980 rounded off, and has not been able to stay there. In fact, was sold off immediately. I show you on the 1 hour. It was very immediate sell off from there. Boom, 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 boom. What does it mean? That the buyers are not interested in the higher prices. They took out this liquidity, boom, sold off. So I'm quite concerned because the price is making higher highs every time the price is here, and this low that the price is made is 0.8945, which is just 5 pips or 4 pips away from this price action. So is it going to break down or is it going to go higher again from here, because the market structure is again to the bullish side here, but then immediately structure shifted on the 1 hour to the downside. So what is price going to do? It is shrink between very small range, I will say very small range. So we are not sure which side the price is going right now. 0.8945 on the 1 hour time frame, it is the support. But if you base my analysis on the daily, then 0.8912 is my support, and the potential resistance is the high of this candle, which is 0.9001. So let's see how the things unfold. Right now it is looking like the bulls are not ready to keep the US dollar against the franc. They want franc to be there in the pocket. USD CAD, well, this is a better pair rather than the USD CHF, although it has also come off from the highs of the day, but still trading in the plus, I will say. And the potential support for this market is 1.3653, from where we can see more buyers coming in to push the prices back towards 1.3756. But buying the US dollar right now doesn't look like a good idea because of the broader bearish scenario of the US dollar against the other major currencies. USD JPY, just like I said, that although US dollar is going higher here also, but I think the buying will not be a good idea because this previous swing lows are now acting as resistance, and the price can be pushed towards 155.71 because of the dollar being sold across the board. Okay, the next potential support is 155.71 in this one. Potential resistance is 158.74. Price is trading at 158.50 in the case of USD JPY. New Zealand CAD, well, the order block is behaving. The price is making lower highs and lower lows. I think this price action is quite clear. If we close below 0.8269, then this level will start acting as a resistance and we'll have a potential profit target of 0.8201, even lower. But yes, the first target is 0.8201 after this. Bitcoin, yesterday we saw how briskly the price moved to the upside in the and has closed the day above 63,829. So this is what I was talking about. If the price closes above a potential resistance, then that start acting as a support. Although there was a wick down here, but the buyers jumped in to push the prices higher. The next possible resistance now being 67,318.1, and if the price closes above this, then this will also start acting as like a support, and 71,994 will be the next target. So now what? Yes, the price is trading right now. If it closes above 63,829, then only this will be acting as a support. If the price closes below this for any reason, then the price can reach back towards this 58,470 area and maybe even towards 53,562. God knows what. What about the Brent? Well, we are the sellers in the Brent. We have breached these two lows. We have dipped into this fair value gap, and now it looks like there is a buying, but see the red candle here. See the redness of the candle. This is huge. Okay, now if I will say, if the price is able to manage a red candle close on the daily basis, we can have the lower prices even in this one also. Well, the lower prices are 76.66, which I am targeting here in this one, but this 38.2% retracement from this fall may provide some support to the price. Any rise in this one should be seen as a selling opportunity. Well, this will be confirmed head and shoulder breakdown in case we are able to close below 83.74 today. Okay, in that case it will start acting like, okay, I mean this miniature which I have made earlier, this will be true, and then we can make targets as per this drawing. What about gold? We have taken all the targets that we have mentioned. Is there anything else to do? No. Sit on the sidelines. If you're long, book your profits. If you're short, so sad, I'm sorry about that, but yes, we were going to be long after 3rd of July, and we have taken all the targets. It is more than 100 points from here. Okay, so we should not be greedy. I think gold is at all-time high, so you should be looking for sitting on the sidelines so that you can have a more favorable position if not already in the long position. What about the Japanese index? I mentioned this, that the price has come down. Now these highs will be acting as a support, and they are acting as a support. The next potential resistance is again the all-time high, 42,491. It has failed to go at least till this low, 40,790. Now since it has not gone to this low, that means there is no point in breaching this low. So therefore the price is trying to go higher towards 42,491. That is the ultimate target for us. For some reason, if from this 50% the price reverses and breaks this, then this will qualify as a break, and then we will be looking for the short entries. But till the time, I'll say, even now, I'll go to an extent to say that till the time the price is behaving and closing the day above 40,994, you should not be worried about market falling. So this is Nikkei Japanese index. Euro JPY, any rise should be seen as a selling opportunity. 173.51 is looking good to me. The potential support here is 170.29. GBP AUD, finally pound is rising against the Australian dollar. If it closes the day above 1.9236, which is the potential resistance, then the next target is 1.935. Above that, we'll open for 1.9479. Now potential support is around 1.9107, but if we closes a day above 1.9236, then this will also start acting as a support. CHF JPY, any rise should be seen as a selling opportunity. Any rise, when I say that 178.31 is where you should be looking for the selling opportunities. Or in New Zealand, or oh, wow, what a run from the Australian dollar. 1.1177 is the potential resistance that we are looking at, from where we are expecting the price to take a breather before moving higher. Maybe so we have higher targets in this one. but this is the minimum that we are targeting, 1.1177. So let's see how the things unfold. And from this price action, it is clear that it is trying to go to that level very fast. Potential support at 1.1041. Swing support is 1.0979. Gas yesterday went to these lows but did not close or test these lows. 2.138 is the minimum that the price should test before, even if it's going higher. Whereas I am expecting the price to go lower. If it closes a day below 2.138, then there's the potential of price going back at least 1.911. Let's see how the things unfold in this one. That's all, guys, from my side. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask me. I'll be very happy to answer your questions. And I must also remind you once again that we are here at 1700 GMT, Monday to Friday. You can come with your questions, you can come with your pairs or any instrument that you're watching. We can have a look at them right now or right then in front of you, so that we can have some interactive session. Right now it is only me speaking here. Maybe there's a chance that you can write something in the chat box and we can discuss the idea or whatever you say in the chat box live in front of you. All right, guys, I hope you know about the support and the resistance levels that will be of interest in the coming hours and days. Just remember, you should not risk more than 1% of your entire equity on any single trade. Trades will keep coming every day. If not every day, then every week. Okay, do not plan to risk more than 1% of your entire capital on any single trade, and look for a potential profit of more than 3 times the risk that you're going to take in that trade. Okay, with this note, I shall end this live stream. Please press the like button if you find this video useful for you. You can leave your suggestions in the comment section, and if possible, please consider subscribing to this channel for more such webinars. Have a good day. Thanks for watching. See you tomorrow, 1700 GMT. Till then, bye bye. Take care.